Hello everyone, this is Somfy Elixo 800 230 volt RTS AC motor used for the sliding gate. I had done overhauling for this gate and now it's ready for operation. Before overhauling, this motor was making a huge noise, indication of the bearing damage. There were total of 3 bearings which I have replaced in this motor, and of course serviced the internal gear parts. After overhauling, here is operation of it. You can see this motor Elixo 800 to 30 volt RTS. Okay, now let's see the operation of it. Okay, here it is. Now I'm giving start command. You see, it's a very silent. Before it was making a huge noise, but after changing the bearings and overhauling, it's very smooth running. So you can see the pinion which is running actually will be running speed until it comes to the closed condition. As soon as it comes to the closed condition, you can see it's rotating slowly now. So once it is closed, you know this, the limit switch get triggers and it's off. Okay, now again we are opening the gate now. It's a vice versa. When we try to open the gate, it is opening slowly and it will open until it comes to the closed condition. Now it is almost in closed condition and it closes with this limit switch off. So the total function is smooth. Thank you.